Good afternoon, Ma'am Durango. So we are here to report, and our topic is all about general types of intermolecular forces and their effect on the properties of substances. Intermolecular forces. So intermolecular forces are the attractive and repulsive forces between molecules, and they are responsible for a physical properties of substances.
The comparison of strength. So, dua siya ka klase ang gisigutan diya kaning London dispersion of dipole force. So, ang London dispersion force kay like quick siya ang iyang kuan temporary interaction na dyan. So, like nga weaker siya, kay temporary raman siya kay tungod sa shifting electron destiny. So sa kuan, so ang London dispersion force kay weak siya kay temporary raman siya. Then diri sa dipole force kay ingon diri nga moderate strength. So occur siya sa polar molecules with permanent dipole. So like strong yung strength tungod sa yung polar molecules with permanent dipoles. Then muna siya. So nadiri ang ranking. So nadiri ang weaker mani van der Waals force, and pangka second dipole interaction, hydrogen bond and ion dipole interaction. So muna siya kinadaptan ang ion dipole interaction, then kina-weaker kay van der Waals force. So mao na siya, mao na ang iyang comparison sa London dispersion of force of sa dipole force.
So, examples of substances, we have London dispersion, dipole, hydrogen bonding, and ion dipole. So, Pinheiro discussed about this London dispersion. So, dipole forces are attractive forces between polar molecules that have permanent dipoles. The examples of dipole. So, hydrogen chloride and hydrogen chloride. So, hydrogen chloride is a permanent dipole, and the chlorine atom has particularly negative charge, and well, the hydrogen atom has partially positive charge.
Hydrogen bonding water molecules. Water molecules, molecules consist of one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. So, water molecules form hydrogen bonds with each other, giving water unique properties such as high surface tension and boiling point. So hydrogen bonds, the dotted lines show the intermolecular force between the hydrogen of one water molecule and the oxygen of another. So hydrogen bonding is a type of intermolecular force that arises between molecules with a hydrogen atom bonded to highly interconnected atoms such as oxygen, nitrogen, or fluorine.
The network of hydrogen bonds are the kuan. The network of hydrogen bonds refers to the complex arrangement of hydrogen bonds between molecules in liquid or solid state.
So ang ion dipole kay resulta siya sa electrostatic attraction gikan sa duha nga ion o neutron molecule nga naay dipole. Ang example ani kay ang salt and water nga nagdissolve sila into a polar event, solvent.